GADWatch, Anti-Violence Against Women and Children Act.
Anti-Violence Against Women and Children Act or RA 9262, ang goal niya is to protect women in an intimate relationship or sexual or dating relationship with another person. Ang accused or alleged accused pagdating sa anti-VAUSI law would be the man or any woman in a relationship with another woman. Yung mga abuse na pinapenalize natin under this law, pananakit sa kababaihan, psychological abuse, emotional abuse, and economic abuse. Pag sinabi natin economic abuse, yung hindi pagsustento or pag-prevent dun sa babae ng access dun sa kanilang common funds or common income, or yung pag-prevent dun sa babae na mag-practice ng kanyang profession or magtrabaho.
The Women and Children Protection Center is primarily for investigation of cases of violence against women and children, and trafficking. We have our 24/7 Aling Police Helpline sa Facebook page namin, or they can already go directly po sa pinakamalapit or yung may area of jurisdiction sa kanila.
Base sa data ng DILG, 92.85% out of the 42,044 barangays already have functional VAUDES. 25,288 naman has been assessed.
Please, sa mga kababayan namin na pwedeng naging witness, kung hindi man naging victim ng mga ganitong mga crimes, please feel free to call yung helpline ng Women and Children Protection Center, and we'll be more than happy to serve.
GADWatch,